Hello everyone, I'm Minakshi and in this video I'll be making Paneer Tikka Masala, or you can say Tava Paneer, else grilled paneer at home that can be added in your weight loss diet chart too. It is a very easy and quick recipe that you can make at home. When you really want to eat something chatpata in your weight loss plan, then truly this is the best option. Let's quickly start with the ingredients. 250-gram paneer I have taken, 2 onions, yellow, red and green capsicum a part of it. Now start chopping all your veggies. Cut onion into medium size along with your red, yellow and green capsicum. It's your wish the way you want to chop them. This ingredient paneer is an all-rounder and it really tastes good in all the dishes made from it. It is an excellent combination of taste and health. It is not only good source of protein, but it also provides instant energy after heavy exercise or any workout. This Tava Paneer Masala, or you can say Paneer Tikka, it can be used as an evening snack to kill those hunger pangs, or you can use them in your dinner as well when you don't want to eat that boring roti and sabzi. And guess what? It also helps in burning more fat as it has a fatty acid which helps losing weight by increasing the fat burning process in the body. So it is a very healthy and a tasty dish as well. So after I've done with the veggies, as you can see here, I'll be cutting paneer in equal size cubes. You can cut in any shape or size. Now to marinate the paneer, you will be needing these dry ingredients, that is namak, haldi. This is optional, haldi if you want to add. This is lal mirch, kali mirch, that is black pepper, garam masala. This is dhania powder. This is tandoori masala, MDH tandoori masala, bhuna jeera, kasuri methi, and of course ginger garlic paste to add the flavor. Now to start with, you need to transfer all your veggies and paneer in a bowl to marinate them. Now add 1 teaspoon namak, 1/4 teaspoon haldi. This is totally optional. If you want to add color, then only add. 1/4 teaspoon red chili. Again 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. And same quantity of dhania powder. 1/4 teaspoon tandoori masala, MDH tandoori masala, and same quantity of bhuna jeera as well. The recipe of bhuna jeera I'll give in description box, and a bit of kasuri methi. And yes, 1 teaspoon any olive oil or desi ghee. If you're on a keto diet, you can add butter or ghee, else you can add 1 teaspoon olive oil to it. Mix it really well so that the spices are totally mixed in your veggies, and you need to keep it in refrigerator for at least half an hour. And yes, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. You can buy this from the market ready made, else you can also make it at home by grinding a bit of ginger and fresh garlic by adding little water to it. This paneer tikka really goes well with mint chutney. So I'll also tell you how to make mint chutney to serve it with your paneer tikka. You have to take half katori dahi. This is fresh curd I have taken. You have to beat it really well so that it turns soft and smooth. Now what you have to do is, after it has turned soft and smooth paste, add 1 teaspoon. This is pudina chutney powder, MDH pudina chutney powder. You have to add 1 teaspoon pudina chutney powder to your curd, a bit of kala namak, then slight red chili powder, and mix it really well so that the color of the curd turns light green, as you can see in the video. It is a really very delicious chutney that I usually make at home with all my snacks. You can see the picture of the MDH chutney pudina masala that I buy from the market. You can get it from anywhere. Now transfer that chutney in your dish plate in which you will be serving to your family members or guests. It is done. This is my platter in which I will be serving paneer tikka. So I've even cut lettuce, a bit of lettuce, to serve with my tawa paneer, and freshly cut lemons. I'm sprinkling chaat masala on my lettuce. These two pans I have on which I usually cook my paneer tikka. One is this grilled pan of Black Diamond brand. The other one is plain non-stick pan, again of same brand. I'll be cooking on plain non-stick pan. If you want fine lines on your paneer, then definitely go for the grilled pan. So first of all, transfer everything, all the ingredients on the tawa and cook on medium flame. Let it cook for on medium flame first of all, so that all the water from the paneer it dries up. So after 5 minutes, when the water has been cooked completely, dried completely, start turning the side of the paneer. You'll see this dark brown color of the paneer. So turn the side of each paneer one by one and very carefully so that it doesn't break, like I am doing in the video here. You have to be very careful for this. Even turn the sides of your veggies so that it is cooked on both the sides and doesn't burn. Paneer has lots of health benefits. It also improves metabolism as it has higher level of dietary fiber, which helps in digestion by improving the metabolism and thereby helps in reducing your weight. It also controls blood pressure as it contains potassium in it. So again, after 5 minutes, check the other side as well. And when it is cooked, when the same color has appeared on the other side, so turn off your gas. Now transfer your paneer tikka to the platter in which you want to serve. This dish is really good for your kids as well, as it provides nourishment and it is a very healthy fat diet. It also improves the proper growth, and it strengthens the immune system and even the hemoglobin count of your kids. It also prevents the risk of various diseases in children like cough and cold, etc. So you can serve this dish to your kids as well. Yes, you can reduce the spices when you are giving to your kids. You can even give this as a snack when you have any guests at your home. So enjoy this dish with your family and friends. Take care. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and click on the bell icon to receive my regular updates. And yes, do mention in the comment section how you like the recipe.